What's up my good people, welcome guys to Tech Explorers, and in today's video we'll be learning how you can be able to fix audio outputs in Windows 11. In case you have a PC, that is your laptop or a desktop, and it has issues with audio outputs and you are running on Windows 11, how can you be able to fix that problem? How do you go about it? Let's get started. So just search for device manager. Just search for our device manager, and this is device manager. Just go click and it will automatically open all the devices that are connected to your PC. And when I talk of devices connected to your PC, we have audio inputs and outputs, we have battery, cameras, we have computers, we have network adapters, monitors, USB ports. So all those devices are connected to your PC, but our main point of concern today is audio outputs. We have audio outputs, and other audio outputs we have audio inputs and audio outputs. When we talk of audio inputs, we have the microphone, we have the microphone. And when you talk of the audio outputs, we have the speakers, that is which we have in this case it is Leo text high definition audio. For the microphone we have also Leo text high definition audio. So in case you have an issue with the speaker, that is a speaker or the headphones in your Windows 11, how can you be able to fix that problem? And what do I mean when I talk of you have an issue with audio output, that is the speakers? For example, you are trying to play music and there are no sounds that comes out of your speakers. How can you fix that problem? So first thing that you need to check is the speakers enabled or disabled, so the status of the speaker. So you just need to right click, and you can see in this case we have a disable option here. That means that the speakers are enabled. So first we have already exhausted the first option, meaning that the audio outputs are enabled. So the next problem that you could be having with your Windows and that is with your audio outputs could be the drivers. But first of all, you have to confirm. In case the audio outputs are not installed, you should not find this option. In this case, if you find audio outputs on this list, that is the audio outputs, and you have the speakers and the headphones, that means the speakers or the headphones are already installed. So the second thing, you check if the status of the audio input, the audio outputs, and you can see they are enabled because you have a disable option here. That means they are enabled. Now the only last option that we have to update the driver. So how do you go about it, and how can we be able to update the drivers in Windows 11? That is the audio in outputs drivers. So all you need to do is just right click and go to update drivers. Right click and go to update drivers. Then you need to click this option, search automatic for drivers. Then you need to select search for updated drivers on Windows updates. And this one, in case there are some drivers that are not installed in your PC, the system will automatically sync. When you have this option enabled, the system will automatically sync your PC. In case, for my case, the audio outputs are working well. You can see, for example, you have audio outputs here. In my case, they are working well, but in case they have an issue with audio outputs, when you go to Windows Update, it will automatically sync and you will be prompted to download those updates. And when those updates are downloaded and installed, all you need to do is just restart your PC, and your audio outputs will automatically get installed. And in case there was no sound coming out, you just need to play some music and everything, you find that it's completely fixed. So that is how simple you can be able to fix audio outputs in Windows 11. Goodbye. That's all we have for today, guys. Kindly don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.